Hello, lovely ones. Let's still do it again on word problem involving age, okay? You're going to learn a lot because what we have today is somehow different from what we've been doing before. Now, let's read the question together. We are told a father is 3 times as old as his son, and his daughter is 3 years younger than the son. If the sum of their ages 3 years ago was this. That's when you sum these ages 3 years ago, this is what you have. Then we are asked to find the present age of the father. Now, like I told you, each time you have this kind of question, just try and identify the key person the question centers on. Okay. Now, if you go back to this question, you see a father is 3 times as old as his son. And then the daughter is also 3 years younger than the same son. Did you see? So the question is centering on the son. So what we just do, since you have identified that is on the son, we begin with solution. So what you do is let son's age equal to x. So go back to the question. A father, just use any variable, he's not the major person, okay? So a father, we can just say F. So we have F is equal sign, okay? 3 times, so you have 3 times. 3 times as old as his son. And we have seen that the son is X, so it's going to be 3 times X. And 3 times X will give us 3X. Now we also told, and his daughter, so we can use D for the daughter, okay? So we have daughter is, as we've said, is equal sign, 3 years younger. When you hear younger, younger means subtract, okay? So when you hear 3 years younger than the son, it means the son minus 3. So younger will always take subtraction sign. So 3 years younger is going to be the son's age, which is X, then take away 3 from it. It gives you the age of the daughter. Now, having stated this, we are also told if the sum of their ages 3 years ago. Now, when you hear 3 years ago is past tense. So it means if I'm 10 years today, 3 years ago, I wasn't 10 years. That means I have to take 3 from my present age to give me 7. So when you hear ago, you also subtract. So it means 3 years ago, what happened 3 years ago? Let's take note of it because this has to affect all these things we have stated above. So we have it 3 years ago. What happened to the son? The son's age, that's 3 years ago, will be X minus 3. I hope you are with me. This has to affect every statement. Then what happens to the father? The father's age will still be 3x minus 3. You see what we're doing? Then for the daughter's age will also still be x minus 3. Then take away 3 from it. You have to take 3 away from each of their ages. Now that you've gotten this, the question still went further to say sum of their ages that 3 years ago. And you see that this is what we have 3 years ago. So the sum of it means to add these statements we have. And when you add it, the age will be 63. So when you do that, it will help you to get the present age of the father. Now to keep solving this, we have x minus 3 plus 3x minus 3 plus this will give us x minus, if you add this to it gives you x minus 6. Okay, so we have x minus 6 and we are told that the sum is 63. Did you see that? So you just solve this using the idea of what you've learned so far on linear equations. So just collect like terms. So we're going to remember this x is having a positive, so it's something as positive. Okay, so we have x, then collect this 3x. Collect this x again, you have x, then bring these ones together, you have -3, -3, -6 is equal to 63. Keep solving. Remember, this is positive 1. So if you add this, it will give us 5x. Then this will give us negative 12. Okay? And is equal to 63. So what do you do next? To remove this, you need to add. Okay? So you're going to add 12 to both sides. And when you do that, you have, this will give us 5x. Add this, it gives you 0. Then add this, it gives you 75. So to get x, divide by the coefficient, which is 5, and this will divide. So we are having x is equal to, this divides 1, this divides this 15. So it gives us 15. So the value of x is 15. But remember, the question says, find the present age of the father. This is the present age of the father, 3x. So if you want to find the father's age presently, we are going to have father's age presently will be 3 times our x is 15. And when you multiply this, it gives you 45. So the father's age presently is 45 years. And I hope you learned something. Don't forget to like and share. I will see you in class 5. Bye-bye.